welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nadia. Well, today I was away. I was alone. The kids are away, so I thought of doing a cleaning video. I've been meaning to do one of these for a very long time, but you know, with kids around, it's kind of impossible. So today I decided to just, I'm alone, let me just do it. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah. That's a pile of clean clothes that I need to sort. Yeah, I just never got around to it since I, picked them from the line. They've been lying in that basket for I think 2 days. Finally, put away those clothes. Do the dishes. Oh no, it's a mess. The bathroom, the toilet, and then clean the floors.